I don't know what to do.
It's okay, I don't mind having it. I'm the only one looking at it, so. Alright, check
I
the stairs. Yeah. Should we give this one commentary?
Sure, let's do it.
The other one was too quiet. I feel like we should have said stuff.
Yeah. This one is more expensive and newer. It's kind of the same, but different.
Different. Dun, dun, dun. To your right is the master bedroom. Pow.
La la.
It's got a fabulous giant window.
Oh, go into the bathroom.
Oh yes, and a master bath slash everybody's bath because it has 2 doors.
Hi.
Nice, nice, nice. And look at, if you stink up the room, that's the main door. You can breathe, yeah, fresh air and happiness. Oh, so gorgeous. Look at all that room to dance in. And check this out. It has an island. Woo! So beautiful.
Lots of space for all of your stuff.
Ta-da! Gorgeous, gorgeous.
Wall
And look
for
at this
pictures.
weird kind of metallic,
Huh.
strange fridge.
It has a lock.
And then we have a giant entertainment center area for games and whatnot. TV, fireplace, and a door for the children's bedroom. Dun dun dun! But that's not all. There's a couch, a bed, a window, another window, a little thingy, and more storage. And what is that space for a TV? No,
It is.
and a bunk.
LCD TV. Bam.
Bam. All right, so let's give this one more walkthrough. Look at more storage here too, and ventilation for stinky children. Ta 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 ta. I like these windows. Oh, whatever. I don't know. Should we get out of here?
Yeah, because there's people coming. What if they come in when we're in here?
Come on, green.
Look at perfect place for salt and pepper and spices.
Or essential oils.
Or essential oils, but that's not enough room for them.
No. It's
Oh
not.
no, they're coming.
Okay, let's get. Hey, how's it going?
Oh good. Just
Good.
hanging out in my luxury house.
I know, look at this. Check it out. All these windows, fireplace, TV. Da, da, da. Beautiful cabinets.
There's a fan!
What? This RV is crazy.
Stunning.
Multiple doors. An island. Wow. This is luxury RV.
There's stairs.
Check out the cool screen.
That's how you know
This
it's
one has
expensive.
stairs, yeah. What's to your left?
A bathroom.
Is it a luxury bathroom?
Oh my goodness, yes.
Whoa.
There's
Wow.
even toilet paper
This
cabinet.
bathroom is nicer than ours.
Oh my god. Look at this light switch.
Nobody said
You
bigger
don't
was
even
better.
need it. Look at all the lights.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Look at all these
Spacious.
places for stuff. Ew, it's dusty, but
What's in here? A closet? Or a bedroom?
wow, it's huge.
Holy guacamole. Have you ever... This RV is nicer than our house. Hey. Hi.
A walk-in closet.
A TV. Major storage. A walk-in? No way.
I could live in here. That's how big it is.
Can we squeeze bunk beds in there?
Really? Maybe. If we found really thin mattresses, just like cots, we could slip them in here.
Oh, it's so dark. Yeah, totally. We could totally put bunk beds in there. Cool. Or we could all sleep together, piled together like little puppies in a bed. This is so nice.
Dream.
Right? This is like,
Oh wow.
wowzers.
I really wish we were rich.
How do I get out of here?
Living
Oh,
in
there.
luxury.
Okay, this one is also a super luxury one. I'm just going to turn around here and show you because this bedroom is a pop-out. Look at all that space. But then look at this. What? What? Look at this nice kitchen that has a sunlight fan. Look at the giant upstairs.
Mom, wait.
What?
Before you leave the kitchen, you could put your fairy lights and your garland up there. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
This is fun. Okay. Wowzers. Imagine the parties we could have up here.
Just all packed on one couch. Hey, I don't want to leave these things all, so